Hi, this is Adeyemi Oluwaseun here. I want to say, how are you doing, guys? It's been a while. Sorry, we are doing something on ground or behind the scene. That's why it takes time before we release a new video on my YouTube here. So, welcome to my YouTube, and today I want to show you a massive, easiest forex profit called FX profit. It's not funny. All right, so this actually it works. I don't really like to be wasting time on my video because I don't like to be producing a very long video. Okay, so this is the tool that we're talking about. I just want you to focus on the Windows indicator, and which is this window indicator, and the arrow, the yellow arrow, the big yellow arrow. Forget about the small ones. Okay, forget about the small ones. And as you are seeing, looking at the yellow arrow, it's not that the yellow arrow is 100% perfect, but the window arrow makes it easier for you to use because the window arrow, this window arrow, it shows you it shows you the trend of the market. In forex trading, trend is your friend. You can't trade. You are trading against the trend. It means you're playing with your money. Okay. It means you are playing with your money. And you see, today is third, right? 3rd of September. All right. So, and we're already on that trade on AUD USD. We're already on down trend. Yeah, down trend. Very good down trend. All right. So, and as you can see, before we enter this trade, look at the blue line in the window indicator, and on the window indicator we have this line. Look at this line. Yeah, that is our overbought line. Then this is the oversold line. This is the oversold line. You can see we have two lines there. So if you look at it very well, we have two lines, and once this blue line inside it touches the lower band, like here, you can see, like here, it means it has oversold. All right, market has oversold, so you cannot pass this level again. Market cannot pass this level again. If it's not, it can only be ranging, and later it will start going up. Okay, and that is why we have this yellow arrow, because when the market has oversold, then it started ranging. Okay, you can see it started ranging all the way from here down here. So then we have arrow on this arrow, then we can now enter our trade. Entering our trade, can see it was going up and down, going up and down, going up and down before it sold. All right. And as you can see, it did. And so we are going out of the market when the market touches the upper band, which is overbought. Okay, so I can see 170 pips. Okay, then market touches the upper line, which is overbought, and we have to wait for entry confirmation, which is the yellow arrow. Okay, yellow arrow. And when the market overbought, you can see it was just ranging. It was just ranging. Look at it. It was just ranging here. So it was ranging here. It was ranging there. So when arrow came out, then it broke out. Look at it. Then it broke out. All right. It broke out. And as it broke out, this market will get to this place. You can go and mark it. Today's third. You can go and mark it. This market will get to this we get to 265, get to 65 to 69. All right, this market is going to this, is coming to this place. All right, this market is coming to this place. You can go and monitor it. Go and monitor it. It's coming to this way. So this is our TP. All right, this is our TP. Go and monitor it. This is AUD CHF. Okay, so this market is coming down here, all the way from here. It's coming down here. All right, it's coming down here. Go and monitor it, please. It's coming down here, and that is 150 pips. Okay, 150 pips. 150 pips. Now let's check this. Okay, because I entered this one already on my phone. All right, but let's just do it's, and we can't just go back. It can only work. We can only see the clear picture of the of these two on the current market. Okay, and look at this place when the market was oversold. Okay, look at it when market was oversold. Then we have the confirmation arrow all the way here. Then we now go and buy and did 170 pips. So when the market goes to this place, you can see it's reached the boundary where it is overbought. When it's overbought, then we wait. Okay, we wait, and the entry arrow has appeared. Entry arrow appeared, and this market is coming all the way from that place. It's coming to this place. Let me show you. It's coming to this place, 67832, right? Okay, this market is coming all the way from that place down here. That is about 150 pips. It's coming by the time we oversold, so it's coming to this place. Go and check it. Card CHF. Okay, card CHF. Now let's check GBP USD and see what is going on there, because we just have another indicate, arrow here. So look at this, look at this. When the market was overbought here, then we have the confirmation arrow. Then you come into the market all the way down, man. That is about 200 pips. And right now GBP USD has oversold. That's oversold, and we just have the confirmation arrow, entry arrow. So, and we have entered. So you can just monitor it, monitor it, monitor it. Then it's coming all the way from that place to your 4767, right? So it's coming to this place. All right, GBP USD is coming to this place. That is where it's coming. So all the way down here to another 200 pips again. So it's coming to this place. Go and check it. That is where the two this thing is coming to. All right, so let's check this. Go good. So we have this. Actually, this one I did not trade it, and why? Because it was not oversold. You can see after it has overbought here, touches the line. Let me show you the line so that you know what I'm talking about. That's the overbought. This is the oversold. Can you see that? So I don't joke with that when the indicator below. So when the market was overbought here, see the confirmation arrow came and we entered the market all the way down. So we cannot still come out from that market. It has done about 180 pips. So, but it has not come out. So this one is just like a pullback. This one is just like a big pullback. Okay, it's just like a pullback because it has not really get to the region where it's supposed to go back to the uptrend, like so I can't trade this one. I can trade it as uptrend. It's still, the market is still in downtrend, okay, because that's not, it doesn't get to the oversold area. So I won't trade this. Now euro here is euro USD today. We milk euro USD, euro AUD rather. We milk it today. We milk about 100 pips. We milk about 100 pips from euro card, okay. As you can see, I've already come out from the market because it has overbought. Already come out from the market. So this, today's third. Now look at that. Look at it. So it was oversold, right? It was oversold. It was oversold. Getting on the line. So it's oversold. Look at this place. You can see the ranging. So you know when the market is ranging. It shows you when the market is ranging. So you just look at this arrow. You know that this arrow doesn't. We cannot enter it. Okay. All this place was ranging. So look at the Windows indicator. Look at the Windows indicator. You can see it does not trend at all. So when it now overbought here, when we oversold here rather, then we have the entry arrow all the way from here. Then we now write it down here. We wrote it down here about 138, but I took 130 pips there. I mean 100 pips rather. I took 100 pips. So, and this is, it's already overbought now. So you can just go and monitor it. This is euro USD. Euro AUD rather. This is euro AUD. You can see this is euro AUD. All right. So we are expecting entry signal, entry arrow to confirm the entry. So we are just expecting the arrow to confirm the entry. All right. Once the arrow print on the chart, then we enter the market and write it down. Okay. Then we now write it down. Let's check card J. This is card JPY. Cool. This is, look at this card JPY right now. Look at this card JPY. So it's overbought here. So it's overbought here. Now wait for the arrow to appear for the entry. So the arrow appear here. When the arrow appear, then you enter the trade. You can see the trade got to this place like 89 pips. When it got to 89 pips, then you can see then it moved back, but it couldn't pass this range. Okay, this level, it will not pass this level. It will not pass this level. All right, because it has already overbought. That's already overbought, so it's still going down. Okay, and this market is still going to, let me see, it's still going to 80. No, it's going to 79.829. okay, that is where this market is going to. All right, so let's check. Oh God, 79.829. It's still going to 79.829. Let me just do it this way, like yes. Okay, I think I made the mistake. 79. Okay. Excuse me. So this market is still coming here. $79.829. That is where this market is still coming to. All right, cool. 79.829. So can you see it's still coming here? It's still coming here. So to do 135 pips. So it's still coming here to this place. So you can just monitor it. So guys, I don't want to make this video to be too long. So if you are interested to get this too, All right, if you're interested to get this too, you know what you do, just message me on my email address. So just message me on my email address here, freakangr@gmail.com. So all you need to do is just to message me on this email address, so they talk to me, see how you can get this indicator if you need it. It's very cool, very okay for the newbie, for the pro, and everybody that want to make good cash from FX. So thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Woodwashing. Bye.